my name is Jennifer Figueroa and I'm going to be presenting project for week number 1 of the class Advanced Structural Mechanics. And for this week, our task was to define parameterization for a 3-body, a curve, and the surface of our choosing. For this project, I decided to do a cone, and it's going to be approximately a third of a cone, and it contains 4 surface or sides. Over here we can see the code for MATLAB. For the radio we chose 10, elevation 2, and theta 2, and the number of divisions along each parameter is going to be for the radio 3, for the elevation 8, and for theta 8. We also have to define the body parameterization, body grid, surface, and curves. And this is the code that we use for those. After that, we had to plot the body. Well, h is going to be equal to the figure and the plot parameterization of h, body, and plot grid points. Now that we have the figure, we have to do a parameterization of a curve and a surface in this cone. So for that, we're going to start with the curve is going to be a center longitude, and the code is right here. And later on, when you see the final result, you're going to see exactly where it is. And over here, you can see the surface. And this is the part for the code for the surface parameterization and the curve. We also have to find the length of the curve and the area of the surface. This code was already given, and over here you can find the command window where you can find, after the program runs, you can find the length of the curve and the area of the curve. I want to talk, as you can see on this slide, the cone is going to be at least 1/3 of a cone. The radius is 10 and the elevation is 2. The curve goes from the top of the cone straight to the cone base. On the second picture, you cannot see it. It's like point over here, because this is like a top view, this is a front view, and this is a back view, where you can see that the surface size at the base of the cone and extends at least to the half of the cone. And also here, when you run the code, those are what you get, the figure and also the command window that gives you the length of the curve and the area of the curve. And that's all I have to present for this project. Thank you so much.